What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the best seed oil-free chips. Now, if you're not aware, seed oils are detrimental because they cause inflammation. They're high on omega-6 fatty acids, which we already have too much of in our diet. There's seed oils in everything. So now there's a few brands in the marketplace. Masa is one brand, that's the tortilla corn chip, and Vandy, which is your traditional potato chip, that are free of seed oils. So I should give you a little caveat before I review these chips. I'm the type of person that likes the chips with the most seasoning at the bottom of the bag and not the chips that are bland. With that being said, I'm actually quite surprised how Masa chips and Vandy chips actually changed my perspective on that a bit and actually made me look at chips quite differently. So I tried Masa first before Vandy because I discovered Masa first. And I'm not a huge corn chip person, tortilla chip person, to be honest with you. But my two favorite flavors were the habanero and the hatch chili. The reason for that is because I like a little bit of a kick. I like a little bit of a spice in my tortilla chip, typically because I'm using it in guacamole or something like that. I don't eat tortilla chips plain necessarily, and I really just liked these flavors. With that being said, I was pleasantly surprised that their regular white corn and tortilla yellow corn chip were actually very delicious as well, and I didn't need necessarily a lot of seasoning, and their plain flavors were still very good. With that being said, I wasn't a huge fan of their churro chip. Don't really like sugar on my chips. It's a bit too much, although it did taste good. I wouldn't order it again simply because I'm already getting carbs, so I don't want sugar on top of my carbs. So I really liked Masa chips, and was pleasantly surprised at the flavor and the texture. And one of the other things about seed oil-free chips, these are cooked in beef tallow, so organic, cooked in beef tallow with a little bit of sea salt. Beef tallow is a fat, and seed oil is an oxidized oil. Beef tallow is very filling, so I noticed that I'd have a small handful of Masa chips or Vandy chips, and I kid you not, I would feel full within like a few small handfuls. Whereas before I could eat an entire bag of chips that had seed oils in them and still feel hungry for more. So I did notice that the beef tallow chips, which Masa and Vandy are, which are really the two big seed oil-free brands right now, they are much more filling because that beef tallow, it gives your body more, it's more satiating, it's more fat. So I really like the Masa chips, they're fantastic. I personally eat them with guacamole, and I like the hatch chili and the habanero flavors. I didn't really like the blue corn or the churro. I'm not a huge fan of blue corn, and the churro, like I said, I don't really like sugar on my chips necessarily. So getting on to Vandy chips, I tried the barbecue flavor, the herbes de Provence, it's very French, the original, and the French onion, okay? Now, I'm gonna say this, and it's actually shocking coming from me because, like I said, I'm the guy that likes the chips at the bottom of the bag. I'm the guy that likes the most seasoning possible. In fact, one time my roommate came in to the house and I was cooking eggs, and he said, "How do you like your eggs with your seasoning?" Because there was so much seasoning on my eggs, you could barely see my eggs. I'm that guy. So I really value seasoning, I really value flavor. And, you know, with these chips in particular, the French onion, I will say I think it's like dill. I want to say it's dill on regular French onion chips. Didn't have enough dill for me. So it's a very mild, it's organic potatoes, grass-fed beef tallow, black pepper, sea salt, toasted onion, and purple shallot. So that like little green dill flavor, it didn't really have it in the French onion, so it didn't really do it for me a whole lot, to be honest with you. Still delicious, don't get me wrong. The flavor is out of this world, and the beef tallow chips, unreal. The smokehouse barbecue, a little bit better, but I wasn't a huge fan. This also has powdered sugar in it, brown sugar and powdered sugar. So it has a little bit of flavor, a little bit of turmeric, chilies, tomato. A little bit better because it has a little bit more flavor, but 2 grams of sugars per 20 chips. So not really like the churro chips from Masa, far less. However, a little bit more flavor, a little bit more delicious. Now the herbes de Provence. I feel like if you're French, you're just gonna love these by default. I'm part French. I really did enjoy these. It's a blend of rosemary, savory, oregano, thyme, and sea salt. Obviously, grass-fed beef tallow chips, organic potatoes. So these are really good. They were very I will say the French onion and the herbs de Provence, these are very light and mild seasoned. They're not too intense or extreme. The smokehouse barbecue has a little bit more intensity with the seasoning. But I'm kind of a heat, more seasoning is better type of person. But this is shocking for me to say. And I love all the Vandy chips. They're all good for their own reason. This bag is empty. The Vandy original chip. I praise the Lord, first of all, that these are real. When I had the first bite of these, first of all, I love the seasoning chips, but the plain Vandy chips blew my mind into the stratosphere. It was like I was eating French fries without the oil, but with the fat. It was like these melt in your mouth. They're absolutely delicious. The plain Vandy chips will blow you away. Shockingly, this chips with seasoning, I actually didn't like as much as the plain, which I'm just still blown away by that. Now, when it comes to the masa chips, I didn't like the plain as much as the habanero. That was my favorite, and the hatch chili was my second. They just had the most flair to them, a little bit of kick of heat. So if you like heat, you're gonna love those. But in terms of the potato chips, Vandy Original, I don't think this chip can ever be beat. I think it's literally perfect. Whatever they did in terms of like the ratio of organic potatoes, beef tallow, and sea salt, don't change a thing. It's like eating French fries out of a bag. It's absolutely insane. So, these are really the top two seed oil free brands. You got Vandy and you got Masa. Masa I use for my dips and guac. Vandy I just use on the side, and they're just great to snack on. You can get 25% off your Vandy order or your Masa chips order. Personally, I like the original Vandy the most, and then probably the Habanero Masa second. And then the different flavors of Vandy, probably barbecue, French onion, herbs, kind of in that order, and then the hatch chili. So they're all amazing. Check them out below. Honestly, it's up to you and your preference. If you like corn chips more, you're gonna love these. If you like potato chips, you have to get the original. Trust me, believe me, even if you love seasoning on your potato chips, the original is gonna completely blow you away. And maybe it's my Irish genes, but the original is like something with my ancestors with that one. It's just, it hits in the right spot. So anyways, check these out below. You'll get a link to 25% off Masa chips, and you'll get a link to 25% off Vandy chips. So if you wanna try them out, yeah, they're a bit pricier, but 25% off your order is gonna save you a lot of money. So check those links out in the description. This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Be sure to subscribe for future reviews. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, I'm talking food, supplements, health technology, barefoot minimalist shoes, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, and so much more, go to healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put that in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.